Welcome to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
I'm Stanton.
And I'm Tila.
And if you're new to our channel, thanks for checking us out. Are you returning subscribers? Thanks for your support.
Here on this channel, we like to take you through crafts and other DIY projects that are real, but not necessarily perfect because
love isn't perfect. In this video, we will be replacing our standard outlet with the upgraded Eaton USB-C outlet.
Now we know sometimes home improvement projects can seem a little intimidating, but we will walk you through step by step on how to make this simple and easy improvement.
Share your support for our channel by liking,
commenting,
and subscribing.
Love is crafting.
Love is crafting. First things first, before you do any type of electrical project, make sure you turn off the circuit all the way down to the circuit breaker for the area that you will be working in.
Then test your outlet to make sure that there really is no power.
There's a light on this plug that lights up when it's plugged into an outlet. Obviously, no light means no power.
To remove the outlet, unscrew and remove the faceplate, and then remove the screws that hold the receptacle to the box.
Once you remove the outlet, the wires will either be wrapped around these screws or just inserted in the back like you see here. Make sure you pay attention to what wires go to which parts of the receptacle.
This is the outlet that we will be using. As you can see, it has two regular outlet ports and a USB and a USB-C port.
When I removed the outlet from the packaging, I saw that there was only one screw for each side of the outlet. The good thing is that one screw holds two wires, which is exactly what we need in this scenario.
Now it's time to prep the receptacle. In order to do so, unscrew the three different screws that are on the receptacle.
To take off the old receptacle, this can be done one of two ways. You can unscrew these screws and try to remove the wires from the receptacle, but since we had a lot of slack on these wires, we went the shortcut route and just cut the wires.
If you choose to do the shortcut, just like we did, you'll have an extra step of stripping the wires.
Most receptacles, including this one, have this little guide on the back that shows you how far you need to strip the wires. Just line it up and mark where you need to strip. We are stripping these wires with these cheap, probably $10 wire strippers that you can get from any home improvement store.
Set these numbers on the wire stripper to the gauge of the wire to make sure you strip the wire without cutting it.
To install the outlet, enter the hot wires into the right side of the receptacle. The hot wires are usually black, red, or blue. 90% of the time they're black. You can tell that it is on the right side because the screw for the hot wires is usually black.
Make sure the wires are as far down as they can go. Then screw in the screws tightly. Tug on the wire to make sure it is secure.
Then move over to your neutral side, which will always be a white wire and usually with a silver screw like you see here. Do the same thing as you did with the hot.
Now move on to the ground wire. Now this wire could be green, but it's usually bare. Run the ground wire down the outlet and screw it in tightly.
Now that we're all wired correctly, just shove everything back in the box and screw the receptacle back into the box.
We also picked up this one gang wall plate from Eaton to go ahead and make the installation seamless.
This wall plate comes in two parts. Make sure that you're really paying attention to what it says on the faceplate. As you see, this is an arrow that says this side up.
After after realizing which way up really is, we just had to remove it and reinstall it.
The cover also has directions on which side is up, so just put it on the outlet and it snaps into place.
Now it's time to turn back the power. It's kind of like let there be light, and then there's light.
Moment of truth, time to test the outlet to see how we did. We plugged in the same power cord, and this time there's a light.
Love is crafting.
Love is crafting. I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it.